Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 253 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about softening the weight of the day. You don't need to hold everything so tightly. Let yourself rest. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With each breath, imagine the heaviness melting away. Shoulders soft, jaw relaxed, and heart open. Now, say gently to yourself, I don't have to carry it all. I allow myself to rest. And this moment is enough. Stay here, breathing softly, feeling lighter with each exhale. When you're ready, slowly return to the present and carry this ease with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.